Hello students, good afternoon. Today we are going to start with maths. Chapter number 2, page number 10. Number work. So the first assignment question is write in words the numbers given in figure. So now children, the numbers are these over here in the color box written. And in figure we have to write in this way, as this 1919 is written in the spelling NINETEEN 19. So this is called invert. Okay, with the same we have to do the second one is 95. So the spelling of 95 NINETYFIVE 95. So this is in word. But the same way we have to do the remaining all the numbers in words, as 63 in SIXTY 60 THREE 63, 17 SEVENTEEN 17, 76 SEVENTY SIX 76. Children, the remaining numbers we have to do in the same way. It will be given to you all. You can see and complete it. So now we'll go to the second assignment, that is write in figure the numbers given in words. So now in words it has been written, means in the spelling, and we have to write it in number. So the first one is given EIGHTEEN 18, and in number we have written 1818. So in the same way we have to do the next one, SIXTY 60 SEVEN 7. So in number we are going to write this as 6767. The remaining we have to do in the same way, children. 54 FIFTY FOUR 4. So the number is 5454. Now the remaining we have to complete as it is. Now we'll go to page number 12. See over here, children. The assignment is given. There is matchstick bundles tied over there. So how much is in the one bundle we have to count. So in one bundle there are 10 matchsticks. Got it? So 10 tens of matches. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens will make how much? 10 tens of matches makes 100 matches. Got it? The same way, this is a 20 rupees note. So how many 20 rupees notes are given over here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 notes of 20 rupees each makes 100 rupees. That is 100 rupees. Got it? Okay. Now we'll go to page number 13. See carefully, children. Here there are the color chalk boxes, and on the boxes it is written H. H means 100, and there are 2 crayons separately. That means this is 1 and 2. So how are we supposed to write this over here? This 1 and 2 is in units place. So this is units place. 2 is written in unit place. There is no tens, so 0, and this is H stands for 100. So this is 102. So we wrote over here in figure 102, and in words we are going to write it as it is 102. The second one, the box is having in 100 and remaining is 1, 2 and 3. So this 1, 2 and 3 is in units. So we will write this 3 in units place, tens 0, and in 100 we are having 100 box, so we are going to write over here 1. So this will make 103. In figure it is 103, and in words we are going to write 103. Got it? Now we'll go to page number 14. See over here, children. The first one is done in 100. How many 100 bags are there? We have to make so much dots. In tens, these triangles are shown as tens, so we have to make that much dots. And here there are 4 dots separately, that is counted in units, so we have to make in a unit line. So this is made 200, and this is 5, means 50. It is in tens place, so it is called 50, and this is unit, so it is called 4. So in figure what it is, 254. And in words we are going to say it 254. TWO2 HUNDRED 100 AND and FIFT by FOUR.
Okay students, now we'll be doing page number 22. Make the biggest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the given digits. So the first column numbers are given over here. See, given digits 9, 4, 6. We have to make from these digits the biggest number and the smallest number. So the first one, the biggest number is 964, and the smallest number is 469. We have to use the ascending and descending method over here for the biggest and the smallest number. Got it? The second one, from this given digit we have to make ascending order and the smallest number. So as it is, ascending order is smaller to bigger, so as we'll prepare a ascending order over here, so we'll automatically get a small number. So the numbers over here is given 639. So the smallest number from this digits are 369, and the smallest 3-digit number is 369. Got it? The same way we have to complete the full thing. Now we'll go to page number 24, to expanded forms. Expanded form means a number is given over here, we have to expand it. Now we have to show the 998 numbers in expanded form, as it is shown over here. 900, as 9, this 9 is in hundreds place, so it is called 900. The second 9 is in tens place, so it is called 90, and 8 is in units place, so it is called 8. So this is a expanded form, 900 plus 90 plus 8. So as we plus this, the second one is 301. So how will do the expanded form? 3 is in 100 place, so we'll write 300 plus in tens place it is 0, so we'll mention over here 0, and in the unit place it is 1, so we'll write over here 1. Got it? Now the same way we have to write the expanded form in numbers. So as it is over here 700 plus 0 plus 5. So 700 plus 0 plus 5. So the 5 we are going to write in the unit place, 0 in the tens place, and 7 in the hundreds place. So this number will be called 705. Got it? As the same, the second one, 3030 plus 9. So 9 will come in the unit place and 30 will come in the tens place. So it will be called 39. Got it? Now we'll see to page number 25. The place value. The number in this column which is underlined is 9. So we have to show the place value of 9. So the 9 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 9 is 900. The same here 3 is underlined. So the place value of 3 is in tens place. So it will be called 30. The next one, 0 is underlined and 0 is in unit place. So it will be as it is over here, 0.